Morning guys, April 24th, 2024. This one here, I got a call from a lady. She got a couple of plumbing issues, some leaky faucets, some drains that are dripping. So we'll go over there and see if we can figure out what's going on. I think she might have had a low water flow also in one of the sinks. But anyway, she got me scheduled for first thing this morning to go by there and see if I can help her out. Another damsel in distress, Miss Molly.
Take exit 2040 on the right toward airport.
Another damsel in distress. Anyway, we'll try to get you some shots. Sometimes this is loose. Sometimes this loosens up right here. You notice the water's around here?
Yeah.
Around the base?
Yeah, like if I take it off, it'll like accumulate and then come down here. That's why I put the towel.
It could be coming from the packing up here.
Yeah.
You could take this handle off sometimes and tighten this up underneath here to see how it's getting wet.
Yeah.
It might just be loose.
Okay.
Let's try that first.
Okay.
I mean, you want to try to keep it simple stuff, right?
Yeah, and then there's a leak.
There's a leak underneath?
Yeah, there's definitely a leak. So initially I thought it was like coming from some...
Well, it could be coming up from, if this is leaking here, see,
No.
I can see it. I can see it leaking here. See this leak?
Yeah, but...
This is going to drip down.
But this leak underneath here was before that.
Alright, so let me fix this.
Okay.
And then we'll we'll run it and we'll find out what's leaking over there.
Awesome.
But this is definitely leaking. Look at that.
I know.
Alright.
If you put it this way, it leaks less.
Alright, let me, I think it's under here. Let me get my tools.
Okay.
I'll be alright for a bit here and hopefully.
Let me know if you need anything.
Okay.
And there is a cinnamon crumb cake in the oven. Just so you know. Okay.
Let's see if we get this handle off of here. Where the fuck that thing is? I can't even see it. There it is. There it is. What a bitch. Yeah, she's loose. Should be able to tighten that up. Oh yeah, she's loose as a goose. Wow. She was loose as a goose. Not leaking anymore. Yeah. Thing should pop right off of there. I could pop that thing off of there. Yeah. more leaks. You want to see what I found was wrong? Just so you know.
Don't be excited.
Just so you know.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah, there's a nut on the top and this was loose. See, I was able to tighten this. It was leaking in here and then down.
And down, okay.
So I was able to just tighten it. That's cold. See, it was all wet up there.
Oh, perfect.
So sometimes just a little bit of stuff helps you, right?
Perfect.
So then we'll check down below and.
Yeah, so I don't know if this makes sense, but like when I was looking, which it could have just been from the top.
Well, it could. It's probably from this. So we're gonna do what we're gonna do now is we're gonna run it.
Okay.
And we'll see if it leaks. And if it leaks, I'll fix it. Right?
Yeah, because it was definitely that leak underneath happened before that above leak.
Yeah, I'd like to put some
But it could have been. Who
grease in
knows?
here so this comes off next time. Sometimes this stuff gets all corroded, you know. So would you get my number?
Mike Hammerquist?
Who?
Mike.
I don't know.
No.
What does he do? Plumber?
Hold on. Let me go get my phone.
A simple fix. Make sure I get all this stuff back in there where it needs to be. Alright, I got a leak down below.
Oh, Steve Lavimoniere?
Yeah, that's me.
Janine Hammerquist's uncle?
Well, either way, you got my number.
Yeah,
I'm here, right?
Do you know someone named Steve?
I'm Steve.
Oh, Steve. Okay.
Sometimes
That's right.
sometimes this leaks. Sometimes this leaks. It leaks down below. See how this is a little loose?
Yeah.
Sometimes if that's loose a little bit, it'll run down the hose. But we're gonna check it now. Now everything's tight up here.
Perfect.
We'll check down below. What's going on down here? Let's see. Whoa. Look at that. That ain't good. That's definitely not good. Wow. She's loose. She's definitely an issue. You can see it dripping. Wow. Unless I can tighten it. Set it inside. Let's see if I can tighten it. Nope. There we go. This was a little loosey-goosey there. Wow. What a schmag. Might have to take it apart and usually gotta put a new one on there, but let's try it. Try that. And put some water in it and dump it. loosey-goosey there. Usually it seals up on the top with putty. It looks like that really did it. Here's a little loosey-goosey there. Put some water in it, we'll dump it and see what happens. We'll fill it up. I was able to put these in the top, stop it from spinning, tighten that nut up. Alright. Get some water in there and try it now. I'm dumping the water now. I don't see it leaking. Just needed a little how you doing. I don't see it leaking anymore. Easy fix. Looks okay now. It would be dripping. If it was dripping, you'd see it.